Hello everyone. Every child's first learned dish is omelette. The same old eggs and the same old omelette. But this omelette is different because the way we present is very special and unique. So all we need is 3 eggs over here. So I have taken 3 eggs here, and you need to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. So crack the egg on top of the egg. After 3/4 of the egg, you give a crack on top of it, and then you remove the upper cap and then slowly slide down so that the egg white will be separated, and then drop all the egg yolk into your hand, and then the remaining egg white will be coming into the bowl, and then you can gently place the egg yolk into the other bowl. So there are 2 ways. Otherwise, you can directly crack the egg and place it in your hand. The egg whites, they drop out into the bowl, and then you can separate the egg yolk and drop it into the other bowl. Now add pinch of salt to taste in both egg whites and egg yolks. Whisk it properly. You don't need to whisk it till you get a froth, but just gently mix it until the salt is mixed. Now I have taken a sauce bottle over here. If you don't have it, I'll tell you the other way also. So I have added all my egg whites into the sauce bottle and then put it aside. Now coming on to the egg yolks, give it a nice stir so that the salt is mixed well with the egg yolks. Now take a pan and heat it and grease it with oil. You don't need to add much oil because this is a non-stick pan. So add all the egg yolks into it, the yellow part. So add into it and then gently just stir it around without any spatula so that it is spread all over. Now after 45 seconds, putting in the low flame, take a knife and a spatula and then cut it into stripes. See, like this. Remember and be careful that you don't cut deep onto the pan so that your pan gets spoiled. Okay, so like this, and then slowly take out the upper part. Alternate pieces, you need to separate it. See, like this. With the help of a spatula, you remove that. Here you turn off your flame and then remove all the alternate pieces like this. See, it's very easy and they are easily separated also. So like this. Now again turn on your flame and put it in simmer, low flame, and then start adding all your egg whites into it like this. So for those who don't have the sauce bottle, you take any drink bottle, 500 ml drink bottle or 250 ml drink bottle, and then put a hole with the help of pin on top of it, and then you squeeze it, you will get like this. So after 45 seconds of cooking, with help of 2 spatulas, remember 2 spatulas, you just flip it on the other side. Do not overcook this omelette, because if you overcook this omelette, it will turn brown in color or lightly golden brown in color. So don't do that mistake. So after 30 seconds, just take it out. Now with the remaining pieces which we have cut earlier, you remember with the egg yolk omelette, the cut pieces I have arranged again in the same manner, and then again I have added the egg whites into it. Remember, the egg whites should not overlap your egg yolks. Now after 30 seconds, again flip with the help of 2 spatulas on the other side, and then just cook for 30 seconds, and just that's it. Turn off your flame and roll it like this and present it. You know, making omelette is not easy. Everybody knows how to make it, the same taste and all. But the main thing over here is the presentation. When you have some guests around or you have some kitty parties in your house, just to project your talent, you present like this, everybody will love it. Bye bye.